Attention, all passengers on flight 302.
Most flights to Iran arrive well after midnight. Since airport attendants are not always available, you might have trouble exchanging money or getting a taxi. Booking your airport transfer with TAP Persia helps you feel safe and sound the second you land in Iran. When you book your airport transfer with TAP Persia, your driver will be waiting for you after you go through customs and baggage claim. We'll make sure you get to your hotel, even if you have flight delays or reschedules. Our drivers will take you directly to your hotel in Tehran, Qom, Kashan, Isfahan, or any other Iranian city. Here's how to book your airport transfer. First, go to tappersia.com/transfer. Second, fill out your personal information. Third, complete your flight information and arrival time. Finally, complete your booking using one of our payment methods. And that's it! Your driver will be waiting for you upon your arrival, even if you have delays. Book your airport transfer as part of the TAP Persia welcome package and get your tourist visa for free. That's right, when you bundle your airport transfer with your travel insurance, tourist card, and SIM card, your visa is on us. Each welcome package includes your visa authorization code, which comes with guaranteed approval and application tracking, an unlocked SIM card with nationwide 4G LTE coverage and international calling, a tourist card with instant competitive exchange and cash withdrawal, travel insurance with emergency coverage and rapid response, and a comfortable airport transfer to anywhere within Tehran or the rest of Iran. Order your airport transfer as part of the TAP Persia welcome package and get your tourist visa for free. We hope you have a safe and pleasant journey as you explore Iran.